Rajat Bose, he joins us on the show from Kolkata. Rajat, first trading day after the budget. To begin with, if you could just identify two stocks that you would advise them to trade into.
George, I would amend your two stocks into two trading ideas, because I would be recommending a futures trade that is on Bank Nifty. My feeling is that there is a small bit of a rally possible in Bank Nifty. From here, I would put a stop below 13,265 10,265 with a target of 10,420. This is a fair possibility that kind of a intraday high that was reached, that might be reached once again. And regarding the other stock that I would say is that ACC, it has moved up quite a bit, showing a lot of strength, but the rise in the first 20 or 30 minutes had been pretty vertical, so there would be some kind of a consolidation move, and in that the stock actually may come down. So my suggestion is to put a stop above the day's high. The stop would be above, say, 1385, and target is 1361, 1354 and 1348. These are the three levels that are possibly likely on the downside in the consolidation move in ACC.
Sure. And Rajat, how about a Sterlite, which is up about 3% today?
The Sterlite as such, it looks okay. I mean, it looks good in today's session. I would say that if it were to stay above the current levels, then definitely you will see some move happening. But otherwise, what you might see is that if it fails to cross something like 119, then once again you will see it coming down to consolidate between, say, 113 and 111. But 113, if it is not broken in today's session, you can expect further upswing. But in the short term, I'm not looking at Sterlite going beyond 126.
Okay, so if 113 is not broken, you can see more upside on a Sterlite. But IT, meantime, Rajat, is seeing lingering weakness. TCS topping that list 3.5% down. What do you make of all of these counters on the charts, the like of Infi, Wipro and HCL Tech as well?
I would say that if you look at TCS, it is actually getting good volumes and has already fallen nearly 4%, and immediate support, of course, is around 1110, and if that gets broken, then 10,080 to about 1,090 would be the next support level to watch out for. And if there is any kind of a recovery, then you would have to wait for 1145 to be crossed before you see that TCS is really showing some kind of a recovery. Other stocks like, say, Infosys, it is again, it has also come down very close to a support area. I would say that 2820 would be a good support level. On the other hand, on the upside, if you notice that 2860 would pose a lot of problem for Infosys to cross. But overall, IT sector looks to be a bit weak in my opinion. At higher levels, you can expect more selling coming in.